RGTI stock analysis and RGTI stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm breaking down my exact play and all the good stuff regarding 14th of July, Monday and onward. This is next week. With Rigetti Computing, this is, very decent bullish market. I mean, the idea for me here is, man, is just look for confirmation to take it further up. But if I zoom out here, you can see that I was buying all this together here and a lot of trades here. So this is, if I zoom out, how all this is going to look like. This is all just previous proof. Then I got this swing, which is still pending, and this lower time frame longs as well with a break even. It's not just wins, I've got a break even and a loss. The thing that I'm looking to do here is still hopefully buy if there is a shift and a double break. And if I do not see that happening, then I guess I'm not going to buy. Very simple, and all I'm basically doing in the meantime is just I'm waiting for rules to be met. And if they're not met, then guess what? I am not buying. Simple. Let me know what is your opinion. If you want to learn how making 5-10K months absolutely risk-free without complex indicators and tools, get my free emails and insights, first link in the description.